Ready to go?
Yes.
Where are we gonna go?
Ikea.
Is that your favorite place?
Hmm?
That's your favorite place?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Because it has the ball pit.
The ball pit? What do you do in the ball pit?
And the kids show where the chairs are and you sit down and watch the TV.
You know why we're going to Ikea?
Why?
Because Mommy got to clean the bathroom and organize. We got to organize under the bathroom sink and your bathroom.
What else?
What else? That's it. We're just going to clean up the bathroom. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Because the bathroom got to be organized, just like your room.
I remember Shrupi was with us at Ikea and I saw her went up the stairs, right?
Yeah.
I saw her went up the stairs when I was playing at the ball pit.
So this is what we're going to do, right? Look. You see how messy it is under there?
Hmm?
You see how messy that is?
Yes.
So we got to fix that.
Mine's not messy.
Yours is not messy, but we're gonna fix your bathtub though. We're gonna get somewhere to put all those toys. Basically what we're doing is we're just gonna find solutions for the issues that I'm having. So this bathroom tub has been getting on my nerves for way too long because I've been using, like, first of all, let's talk about the paint on the tub. So every time I clean the tub, it chips the paint off of the tub. So whatever they use kind of like made, like, it basically comes right off. So that's annoying, but I'm not gonna even focus on that today. What I'm gonna focus on is a way to get all of this stuff off of the tub, because I do use purple shampoo and it gets all over it. It doesn't come off, it stains it. So I'm just trying to like get all the products off of here so that I don't have to do too much more damage to this ledge thing. Thinking about hanging stuff up here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm gonna figure it out. We're gonna go to Ikea and I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I love to use to organize. If you haven't been following me for a very long time, you probably don't know, but I love to organize. Whenever I get around to it, I try to organize every room to the best that I can. Yeah, and up here is another problem that I'm having. It just seems to get more and more cluttered every day. It's just a lot going on. I had this little caddy here trying to solve the problem, and it just seems to be not enough space. So I'm gonna try to figure out what we could do to solve the issues that we're having. So Jahira's bathroom basically looks like this. She doesn't have much going on. She just has like this toy scooper thing, which doesn't even really work because it doesn't stick to the wall anymore. And I'm just gonna try to figure out some solutions for everybody because we gotta be organized. We just gotta stay organized, okay?
Those things?
I see. Hold on.
Those white things? Those yellow things right there? Those?
No, I see something red.
Oh, that truck right there.
Ah, how did you see that? I thought you were gonna miss it.
I saw it right there.
White. White.
The clouds.
No.
The car.
Yeah. Isn't this like the cutest mirror? It comes with these little cups on them, but guess what? They're sold out. That's my look.
Daddy, come.
But they're all gone. She wanna know if she can get that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, really?
You
Thank you so much.
Let me get some scissors.
Thanks.
Yo, he just hooked me up. What do you want?
That thing.
For what?
For my toys?
You want a table for your toys?
Yes.
So they can do what?
Sit on chairs and eat.
So you want me to buy your toys furniture so they can eat? Okay. I was able to get the mirror because he told me that all they had to do was basically give me the display one. So I got it for $20. That's why you need to come to the sales section of Ikea. And this is what it looks like.
Mommy, are you going?
Jahira?
Yes.
Okay.
Jahira.
Oh, Jahira. How do you say?
Jahira.
Okay, so I'm right.
Ah, yes!
She's at her favorite place. Now, could drop her off.
Hello, Jahira.
Jahira, get down, get down, get down. You're doing too much.
We don't want you to get hurt. Say, not school yet?
She was school skipper today. So the containers that I usually use to organize, they look like this, and they are called Qgis. They're called the Qgis, and they come in a variety of sizes, and they have lids. So they look like this. They have a lid. So you could use these. They also have these, which are bigger, but these are way too big. So we're gonna get small ones. I think I officially found the answer to my problems. So I think I'm gonna use these in the bathroom to hang everything. As I mentioned before, I need something to get all my products in, and this is perfect. This is the name. They're $10, so I have to get at least 3, I feel like would be good. They're kind of expensive. These are called Tosuta, or however you say that, Tosluta, and they're very tall. And I think those are good for like products. If you have a lot of products and you want to store them, they have lids. So I think I'm gonna get a few of these too. Okay guys, so we're back home, and Jahira, it was a mission, wasn't it? Well, how about I do a little mini Ikea haul for you guys before I start, and then I'm gonna show you guys the finished results of the bathroom. So the first thing I showed you in the video, of course, were these containers. These are, what are they called? Crap, I don't even know. Well, I got one of the big containers, and I think I'm gonna use these for like the cleaning products in the bathroom, because then I could just close the lid on over it, because I don't really use those every single day, so it obviously needs a lid. I also got this Beskin shelf. It expands, it gets like really tall, so it sits on the floor and then it expands, so it has like 4 shelves. And this I could put hair products and stuff. I'm actually gonna have to split it in half because it's too tall to go underneath the kitchen counter. So I got these little baskets like I showed you. They're $10. These are the which one? The melon. I don't know how to say it. The one that I showed you inside the store wasn't the right one. 2 different kinds. There's this one, and then there's one that you can actually hang over the shower head, and that's the one that you saw when I was inside the store. So this I also got. I think I'm gonna use, I have 2 ideas for these. This is the Stugvik. I don't know how to say these names, but this is something that you can, it has the suction cups here. You just put them, you hook them onto here, and you can put them on the wall, on the mirror, wherever you want to put them. I think I'm gonna use them for Jahira's toys, and I think I have another idea for him, but you'll see. So this is another, I got the small box with lid, which is the Qgis. These are gonna be just to store little things like, you know, like the, like, you know how you have those little things in your like flexi rods and I don't know, shower caps, stuff like that that nobody really wants to see, but you need it. So for like shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that, or body wash, you, instead of like showing those messy looking unorganized containers with all the writing and the colors and everything, you could just dump them in here and just squirt them out instead of having to like pour stuff. I think this is really good, and it gives your bathroom like a better like organized look. This one, which I really liked it because it was like brown, and it goes with like the metal basket, so I feel like that's gonna look good. I'm gonna probably put like my shampoo, my conditioner, as I said, like the white ones, but I don't know exactly how I'm gonna do it yet, because I might use the white ones for something else and then use these in the bathtub, but I'm not sure yet. These are like the same thing, same concept, but I think I'm not sure what I'm doing, guys. Some of this stuff may end up going back to the store, but I think I have an idea in my head. If it doesn't work out, I'm just gonna bring some of these back to the store, but I think this will look really nice in there with this one, so we're gonna see. I also had to buy the suction cups for these baskets because they don't come with it, unfortunately, which is so annoying, because these are $10 and these come with 2 and they're like, I think $5, so they're very expensive. But my vision has to come to life. I don't care what nobody says, my vision is gonna come to life. This is the one that you saw in the video. This is the one that hangs. If you can see the picture, it hangs, and it has like already has like a built-in, is this the one? Yeah, it also has like a built-in soap dish on the bottom shelf and the top shelf. So I figured get the one with the built-in soap dish instead of getting a soap dish by itself, because a soap dish by itself is like $5 and this was $12, and it also gave me an extra basket, so it was kind of like I was saving. So I figured this will work. I also got this plant. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. With this pot, thought it looked really good inside. I might put this on the windowsill or something. This has nothing to do with the bathroom, guys, but that's what happens when I go to Ikea. I think I'm gonna be using this for like toothbrushes. It's not what you think. Last thing that I got was this little vase thing with this little plant. It's supposed to go inside like so, and I think I'm gonna just put this on the bathroom counter once I'm done with everything. Y'all might be watching this and thinking like she's so crazy. I know I am crazy. Like, my mind is always racing with ideas all the time. But anyway, enough of that. Let's get into the transformation. This is what it looks like before the transformation. So guys, get ready. So I just finished the bottom of the sink, and this is what it looks like now. I basically broke the shelf that I bought in half because it's too tall for this cabinet, so I'm gonna find something to do with the other side. And I also got my little like hair stuff and this one right here. I have my hair stuff, like my mixing bowl, my perm rods, and my coloring brushes, all that stuff. My feminine products in here, all of my serums and my deodorant, my razors, etc., etc. I had to put the pads up here because they were just too bulky to put anywhere else. And I got the same basket that I already had in here. I just put all of my like first aid, alcohol, peroxide, Q-tips, cotton balls, all of that, Epsom salt and everything in here. So that's basically the first aid-y kind of stuff. And then this is the cleaning products in the back, and obviously this is my toilet cleaner. Don't have nowhere to put that, so I just left it there along with the air freshener, which we don't even use. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep it there just in case we do need it. And that's pretty much that. I got my hair products up there, my skin and body products down here. I actually should have threw some of those away because I really don't use them, but they're like full and brand new, so I didn't want to throw them away. But yeah, that's pretty much the bottom of the sink. And now we're gonna get into the shower. I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. I really like it a lot. and I have nothing down on the ledge, which is great. And yeah, I think I accomplished something today, so I'm feeling really happy. So this is what the countertop looks like. It looks really, really good. I like it. I really didn't know how it was gonna look because I was just picturing it in my head as like something else, but it actually came out better than I expected. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, just to show you guys an overview of the bathroom, this is the shower area. This is obviously something that I worked on a long time ago. The shelves I got from Target, and this is the countertop. If you guys want to see how I did everything from start to finish, I did record the process. I just didn't put it in this video, obviously, because it's a vlog and I didn't really want to mix the two. So if you do want to see it, I'll link that above, and I will also link it down below. And make sure you guys comment below. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see, and make sure you like and make sure you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Definitely share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time.